Gusto ba ninyo itong cookies na napakasarap? Panoorin lang nyo. Today, gagawa tayo ng mga paborito ng mga bata. Whether mainit-init pa to, or whether tinago nyo to, nilagay nyo sa covered container, okay na okay itong banana chocolate chip peanut cookies. Alam nyo, this is, pag natapos tayo rito, it's just mix everything together. Mix everything together. I will start with the dry ingredients first. Mamaya na yung yung eggs natin. Okay? I will start with the flour. Okay? You have all-purpose flour. Okay? 2.5 cups all-purpose flour. Okay? And I'm going to put in 1 cup sugar, white. And I'm going to put in 1 cup brown sugar. Yan. Para maganda yung color, hindi light na light, hindi rin dark na dark. Okay? We're gonna put in our baking soda, our cinnamon. Okay? 1 tablespoon cinnamon, cocoa powder nga pala. Para masarap. Lalagyan natin ng, siyempre, alam naman ninyo, Catalina. Yan ang paborito kong cocoa powder. Pero kayo bahala kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. Ako, ginagamit ko yung iba-ibang variety ng Catalina, lalo na yung creamy and rich. So, eto, nilagay ko na rin yung ating salt. Ito, mimix ko na to. Here you go. I'm going to put in our egg yolks. Whoop! So, ayun ang egg natin. And then, we're going to put some glucose. Okay? You don't need to put really the glucose, but if you want a chewy consistency, lalagyan natin ng glucose. Anyway, available naman to sa mga supermarket. Hindi naman surprise ingredient to. So, here's our glucose. We are going to mix this all together. And we are going to put mashed bananas. Okay? 1 1/4. Pinakamagandang mashed bananas, yung pinakahinog. Yung halos nagba-brown na, yung nag-iitim-itim na, maganda yan. And we are going to put in vegetable oil. Hindi kailangan ng mga mamahalin na baking instruments, okay? Here's our chocolate chip, okay? Here's our Easy Bake chocolate chip. Lalagyan ko to ng 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of flour. Bakit? Para hindi lumubog lahat dun sa ilalim ng cookie yung chocolate chip. Para stable siya na nakaikot siya hanggang taas. Okay? So, ito yung chocolate chip natin. And ito yung niro-roast ko kaninang peanuts. This is our peanut. And what we are going to do is we're going to chop this roughly. Rough chop lang para ma-highlight yung ating mainit kasi yung pan. Rough chop lang. O yan, crispy siya. Huwag yung pipinuhin. Ayan. Rough chop lang. And here's our batter. We put everything in. Okay? And now, we are going to put in our peanuts. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, magtitira ako ng konti. Itong peanut natin. And here's our chocolate chips na minix natin with flour para balansyado siya. Okay? I'm gonna mix this together. Not so yung mix lang ng na tama, konti lang. Not so well mixed because we have a coating. And I have our peanut butter. Okay, I'm gonna swirl this. Okay. And we are going to put this, and scoop this. Medyo lalayo natin ng konti, no? Itong pan na to is already a non-stick pan. This is the Kitchen Pro non-stick. Pero minsan, wala tayo ng non-stick pans. Pag wala tayo non-stick surface, gamit tayo ng Silpro. This is a silicone mat. It's a non-stick surface. And you can use this. Pwede kayong mag-topping kung gusto nyo extra special ang ating mga cookies. Pwede kayong mag-topping nito. And put chocolate chip. And we're gonna bake at 350 degrees. Hello mga kaluto! Gusto ba niyo yung mga recipe ko? Yung mga madaling sundan? Don't forget, like and subscribe. Type lang ninyo Chef Gene Gonzalez. Ang dami kong recipe nandiyan dyan. Ano na, it's been 35 minutes. If you want it a bit crunchier, just lower your temperature and bake for another 5 minutes. Okay, so we're ready. Whoop. There we go. There we go. And here, medyo mainit pa yan, sa little warm. This was what I baked about an hour ago. There you go, look at that. So these are a little on the cakey side. Pretty good cookies. Nice with this. Nice with milk. Dunk it in milk. Dunk it in your coffee. Panalo. So mga kaibigan, maraming salamat. And if you want very good culinary education, you can always just type in Center for Asian Culinary Studies or CACS. And we're starting to open our classes soon. See you and bye-bye.